People have been asking me a question, how to check the future and also the potential of a company. And my answer always has been, you need to ask the promoter why this company exists. Why did he start this company? What is the purpose of this company? Any of the global brands which has become hugely successful like Apple, Wipro, Microsoft, you name it, they all have got their why very clear, W-H-Y, why. More than what they sell, how they sell them, the core factor they first defined was why. I will just share with you an example. Apple. When Apple started, they started with one clear why. We want to do everything different and we want to challenge the status quo. So that is the why factor. That is the reason why Steve Jobs started Apple. He wanted to do different things and he wanted to challenge the status quo. Then comes the question, how do you do it? That is where he answered, we will bring out technology-driven, user-friendly, design-centric products and services. He didn't say we are going to make laptops. He didn't say we are going to make iPhones. He didn't say we are going to make iPads. He said we wanted to do something different and challenge the status quo. And how do you do it? By bringing out technology-driven, user-friendly, design-centric products and services. What products and services? Anything which suits these earlier two factors, that is the why and the how. And that is where you are seeing all the iPhones and the iPads and all the different gadgets, the goggles. Whatever Apple brings out, it becomes a huge success. And now comes the question, who are your customers? Generally, in normal marketing, what happens is that you first define the customers. That happens when you are only doing a commodity selling. But here, when he wanted to bring out something very special, the last part is, who are your customers? There he said, whoever wanted to be different and whoever wanted to challenge the status quo, whoever wanted to have products and services which are technology-driven, user-friendly and design-centric, and these are our products. And whoever can afford these products, they are our customers. This is how the Apple was born. And look at what's happening right now. Even now, when their new iPhone model comes out, the midnight people stand in queue to get the first handset in their hand. That also at a high premium. This is how long-term sustainable, powerful global brands are built. I'm really excited about talking about this topic because when we were starting Vieroots, we had a very clear-cut why. We didn't start Vieroots just for the sake of starting a company. We had the why very clear with us. We wanted to empower people to take charge of their own health and wellness through biohacking, by hacking their own biology or rather body and mind so that they can live long and stay young. We believe that people have got infinite potential within them. And if they have the right psychology and the right physiology, they can come out with that infinite potential and perform at the peak levels throughout their life. When they live longer and stay younger, just imagine what kind of contribution they can make to the society by being highly productive, highly energetic, highly creative, and performing at peak levels. So our why is very clear. This makes Vieroots different. There are laptops and there is Apple. There are many direct selling companies and there is Vieroots. There are smartphones, there is iPhone. There are many e-commerce companies, there are many wellness companies, and there is Vieroots. This makes all the difference in the world. We are a company with a purpose. We focus on this why. Then we ask the question, how do we do it? We did dedicate almost 3 to 4 years on extensive research to find out how we can do this. And that's how we came out with personalized lifestyle modification. Personalized diet plans, personalized fitness plans, personalized lifestyle management with the help of genome metabolic assessment. Then comes the question, what are the kinds of products and services which are there to achieve personalized lifestyle modification. Any product, any service which can actually serve the purpose, that means providing that personalized lifestyle modification so that people can live long and stay young with high levels of productivity, high levels of energy, high levels of creativity, and perform at peak levels throughout their life and still living a longer life. So we are coming out with the EPLIMO, which is the epigenetic lifestyle modification, which is a combination of genetic and metabolic profiling. We are coming out with the EPLIMO app. We just got the EPLIMO recommendation, that means the personalized lifestyle modification recommendation, which can become your operating manual for your body and mind. We're coming out with absolutely phenomenal cutting edge products, nutritional products, and many other products in the future. They are all research based and also developed by our own research team. And then comes, who are our customers? Who are the people who are going to take this service? Anybody, anyone who is keen on building a healthy life, who is keen on living longer and staying younger, who is keen on performing at peak levels throughout his life, who is keen on living longer, being productive, being energetic, and being creative throughout his life. They are our customers. They are the people with whom we wanted to work. And how we are going to serve these customers? Through people who are passionate, through wellness evangelists, people who really wanted to make a significant difference in other people's life, people who wanted to impart health, wellness, and happiness to other people. These are the people with whom we partner. So we are not here just to build a business. We are here with a purpose. We wanted to create it as a movement. And when it comes as a movement, we need people who can actually understand the purpose and take the purpose and move with us. That is where we create a community called superhuman community. Superhumans are not those people who are going to fly. We are not saying that people are going to fly. No, superhumans are those people who are going to perform at peak levels throughout their life, having the highest productivity, highest creativity, and highest energy levels, and still living longer and staying younger. They are the superhumans. So we are looking for people who are actually ready to be part of this superhuman movement. So if you are ready to live with a purpose, if you are ready to move with a passion, join us.